Greetings from AUTOTERM. Let's look inside the AUTOTERM Air 2D air heaters standard kit. At the top, we have a clear plastic packet with a warranty card, duplicate label and installation manual. Next is the 1.8 metre 6-pin control panel connecting cable. Then there is the 6 metre fuel pump cable. The longest cable is a 6.5 metre power supply cable with sealed fuse box. This white piping is the 5.5 metre nylon fuel line. This packet contains the exhaust pipe mounting kit with clamps, brackets and end tip screen. The next packet has the wire mounting kit with plastic zip ties and fuel pump connector. Inside this packet is the fuel pump mounting kit with rubber fitting, rubber hoses and clamps. Here we have the air intake pipe mounting kit with clamp and bracket. The last packet contains the exhaust silencer kit with 2 stainless steel clamps and L-shaped support bracket. This U-shaped pipe is a 65 centimetre air intake pipe with silencer. Next, we have the 60 centimetre fuel stand pipe with M8 thread. The AUTOTERM Air 2D is the most compact diesel-powered air heater in the series, producing 2 kilowatts of heat with a 16mm air inlet and outlet. This item with the yellow ends is the metering fuel pump. Here you can see the 45 centimetre exhaust pipe heat insulation. Finally, this is the 1 metre double-layered corrugated exhaust pipe. The following are optional control devices, starting with the PU27 OLED control panel. Then we have the PU5 control panel. And lastly, the Q-Start modem to control your heater with Android or iOS via SMS or the AUTOTERM Control app. For more information about our products, please visit our website autoterm.com.